Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a video today and I'm just going to show you guys how I seal my ends and how I put accessories in my hair. So as you guys can see, this time I braided my hair, the hair wouldn't like just stay sealed, so it kind of unravel a lot. Usually like one or two braids will unravel. It's kind of like I can't really do anything about it, but this time I don't know why this hair was just not cooperating, so I have a lot of braids that are just unraveled. So I'm going to show you a different way that I usually, what I can do basically to make sure it doesn't unravel for the like next few weeks. I'm gonna wear braids. So first you guys can see this is how the pattern looks like. I just did like a few braids, honestly. This is about like 50 braids, I think 45 to 50 braids. Pretty like kind of small to medium like thickness. So basically first I'm gonna separate my hair. So I'm gonna start at the bottom because it's just easier. So I'm gonna separate some braids, and then the top I'm just gonna put it in like a big bun. I'm not a braider, by the way. This is just like, I think it was just the third time that I braided my hair. This time I did it like maybe 2 years ago. I would braid my hair. This year I just couldn't deal with my hair, so I just wanted to braid it. So basically here I'm gonna start sealing my ends. You guys will see what I'm gonna do. So first what I do is I just braid the hair until I can't braid anymore. So you guys will see I'm just gonna braid until like there's not enough hair, because my nails are long also, so sometimes it's a bit harder to braid. So I'll just braid until I can't not braid anymore, until it's at the very end and it's like a little like piece of hair sticking out. So you want it to look like as braided as you can. And then I'm gonna take my lighter. You guys can take like a candle or whatever. You just need like fire basically. So I'm just gonna like I'm not putting the flame directly on the hair. I'm putting like close to it so it kind of melts together, because I don't like it when basically I put like heat on it and it's just like one big nub of like plastic. I like it to like still look kind of natural, like it just like the braid just kind of like finished by itself, but it kind of seals with the plastic because the hair kind of has plastic in it, or I'm not sure what material it's made of, but it kind of melts together so it won't unravel. It's up to you how you want it to be finished. Like I said, I just put the flame close to the hair, not directly, so it doesn't make like a nub of like hard hair, so it still looks like kind of like diffuse and like really thin at the end. So here again I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just finishing up the braid, and here you can see I'm just putting the flame close to it so it kind of melts a little bit, and then sometimes I take my fingers and roll it up a little bit because so it like seals together. Just be careful because it is hot, it is fire. Yeah, so it kind of looks something like this. So this is another one. As you guys can see, sometimes I unravel a little bit more so I can like rebraid it really carefully and really nicely. Like I said, I'm not a braider, honestly. Like I just braid my hair just so I can like put like I don't have to like deal with my hair for a few weeks, and I just don't have anything to do, like not care about my hair basically for a few weeks. So here again I'm just gonna braid until I can't braid anymore. I braid pretty tightly, but like I said, this hair, I don't know why, it just unraveled a lot. Usually it's the same hair, I just don't know, the spike was weird. A lot of hair unravel. Usually I can just dip it in water and it's fine, but this one I knew the boiling water wasn't gonna be enough, so that's why I'm using like a lighter to make sure the ends are sealed. So here again I'm just putting the flame close to it and everything, just so it's sealed nicely and not too much. And then whatever hair is left, I trim it a little bit with the scissors, and this is what you want it to look like. So this is another one. So this was my last braid, so I'm just gonna show you again. So I just braid, and yeah, after I'm just gonna use my lighter and just make sure that I put the flame close to the hair so it just melts a little bit, you know. And yeah, and then I just trim like the excess hair. If you find that like you need to, like there's some hair fragging out, just trim it. And like I said, just be careful when you twist the hair after you burned it a little bit, because it is still hot. I think I burned my finger like once or twice, and it should look something like this. This is not my preferred method, but for this time I had to do it that way. So yeah, this is how it looks like at the end. I don't prefer this one because the hair sometimes gets stuck at the end, but not really, just a little bit. And after that, I just went ahead and put my hair in boiling water. Yeah, I didn't show it because yeah, it's actually pretty intense when you do it. You just have to make sure you don't burn yourself because it is boiling water. Just make sure that like when you dip your ends or your hair in it, don't make sure you know where your hair ends, because you don't want to be putting your real hair in the boiling water. It might damage your hair. Just be careful. After that, I just went ahead and added some accessories to my hair. This is what I had. I think I bought this like 2 years ago when I braided my hair, like 2 years ago the last time, but I never used them, so I thought this time I would use them. They're just like the tube, like golden tubes that you can put in your hair. And so you just open it and then put it on the hair and secure it. Yeah, for this time I just wanted to use that. I never had any accessories in my hair. I just thought this time it would be cute. So here you see me putting some close to my eye level, not necessarily in the first braid. I really like the style honestly with the golden accessories. Like I said, it was my first time, and I think if I braid my hair again this summer, I'm gonna do it again and put more accessories because I really like it. Yeah, so just make sure it's secure. It doesn't move. It's not gonna move. I mean, your hair kind of like stops it from moving because it's like it's kind of stuck there. Just make sure it's really secure and just press on it to make sure it's really tight on the hair. I was kind of going for a little bit of a pattern, like up and down, like on the sides of my hair. And yeah, you guys can basically see what I'm doing. The great thing about this is that you can just do it how you want it, how you want to do it, what style you're going for. And yeah, as you guys can see, like my hair is not braided like the nicest way. I didn't even have like the good gel to part my hair, but I just wanted to braid my hair. I didn't have time to go to the beauty supply store. I just used whatever I had left in my like what I had in my my closet, like leftover hair, and I did my hair. I did add some at the bottom part, like at the bottom part of like close to my neck, just so like when I put my hair like forward, you can kind of see like some gold pieces. And this is the end result. This is what it looks like, and this is how long my hair is. Here I'm just showing you like how it looks like with me like basically dressed up, and how it all ended, and how like the hair is all finalized and all sealed and everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit different, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try and come back with some makeup looks. My eyes are definitely doing better, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.